to another Jane of All Trades tutorial short. Today we are back in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 and we're going to show you how I get my cinematic widescreen appearance on my YouTube videos. It's a very simple process and it will only take you 2 minutes. So here we are in Premiere and there's my title sequence, and what the cinematic bars are essentially this. So if I drag this over, then we've got this encroach of space onto the screen. Now obviously it doesn't work on that, but we're just going to use this for example purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that over, and what we do is we go to this little new item area here, and when we click on that we get a little list of options. So we just want to go to adjustment layer. It knows all the settings. You can set it to be 4K, 2K, that kind of thing. Change your time base, but I'm just going to say OK. So now our adjustment layer has appeared here, where we can do all kinds of things like duplicate, export, insert, overwrite, cut, copy, rename. So we could rename it. I didn't quite go there. We'll just leave that for just now. Right, so here we have our adjustment layer. If we wanted to move it up to adjustment, we can fine. I'm just going to leave it there for example purposes, and then I'm just going to drag it on to my timeline on the same layer and then make it the same length as my piece. Now right now we can see that it's having no effect. So if we go to effects controls, we can see in here the main options. So what we want to do is we want to go to our effects panel and we're going to type in crop. And here we are under video effects transform, we have crop. I'm going to drag that over into this window just under time remapping, and now we've got left, top, right and bottom. So this is where the black is going to come in. So you can do this from all angles, you don't have to do just top and bottom. But we're going to change it, and we're going to change it to 11.5% at the top, and then 11.5% for the bottom, and that is now we've instantly got our cinematic widescreen or just extra space I use, and you can change it if you don't want it through the whole clip. You can change the length. So that is how you get the cinematic look using crop bars in Premiere Pro CC 2020. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, and feel free to drop a comment below on any of my tutorial videos. Thanks. Bye bye.